Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the Harmonic Minor Scale. Show reel! Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to talk about the harmonic minor. Don't forget to subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. Well, the harmonic minor, what a mystery. Everybody's talking about it. Nobody knows how to explain it. Well, I'm going to explain to you guys how it's constructed. So first of all, let's say we have a C major scale. To transform that into a minor scale, you got to play the third and the sixth note of the scale diminished. What that means? That means that when you play, for example, the major scale, you're doing C, D, E, but to make it minor, you got to play a half step down on the third note of the scale. In this case, will be C, D, D sharp, or E flat. And then the sixth note of the scale, the same deal. So C, D. That's the natural minor scale. Now, you want to transform that into harmonic minor. The only thing you got to do is do an augmented seventh. What does it mean? The seventh note of your minor scale has to be one half step up. And so it's going to be like this. So you're going to hear that. Now, if you do that in D, or E, or G, or A, remember, if you want to play along, you got to tune to this note. I'm tuned into D standard. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the episode today about this little very short class of harmonic minor scale. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me your thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. See you in another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. Show reel.